This video showcases how to use location intelligence in the oil and gas industry, specifically for distribution, and how to use it for site selection. We've got the tool which is called XMap. Studio.xmap.ai is a cloud-based data analytics platform. Clicking Add Data will open for you all the data that's being equipped in the platform. The data contain many countries, so we're going to go and select Saudi Arabia as a use case. Next, we already equipped this software with all the gas station database. One click and we're able to see all the gas stations in the country. As you're able to see, every point on the screen represents a gas station. By hovering over, you're able to see different types of information about this location. Not only that, but also the platform gives you ability to analyze this data. So with one click, you're able to cluster it and see how many data points exist in different regions. Hovering over show that we have 1,582 in Riyadh. And similarly, in the west area, including Jeddah and so on, we're able to see like 1,000 points. Now I'm going to go ahead and add one more layer. So first of all, I will return this again to the data points point by point. Our team has already equipped this software with a data layer specifically designed for site selection for gas stations. So by going to this tool, we're able to click here, Riyadh Grid Aggregation, and it's going to overlay a grid. What's happening here is that with every grid represent a specific score related to 10 minutes drive by car from that location. So that means if you choose this location for a new gas station, within 10 minutes by car, how does that look like in terms of performance and in terms of other attributes? So say for example, related to Riyadh, we want to go ahead and select a location in Riyadh that actually has some attributes related to population. So I'll go ahead and say population, and I will see that within 10 minutes by car, if I want to find the location that have higher population count, then just have filtering is going to remove the data, the grids that doesn't meet my criteria. Next, I want to also find the location where the number of gas stations within 10 minutes drive by car are a little bit more than are a little bit less. So it's not a very area where there are so many competition in the area. So again, hovering over, it's going to show me some grids. And this means that if you open a gas station here, or for example this gas station, which is a data point, I am able to tell that within 10 minutes by car drive, the number of gas stations are less than 72. So they are between 0 and 78 gas stations. Similarly, we can go ahead and add more filters to characterize or describe what we want about the location. So for example, I also want to look at a location where there are so many grocery stores. Grocery store might indicate that people are going for shopping. So if I go ahead and select, like, I want locations where within 10 minutes by car there is 600 grocery store all the way to 1,000, I'm ending up with very few points, and some of those points are here. So I can pretty much tell that this area have a lot of gas stations, and at the same time within 10 minutes by car it has lots of groceries. Now this is all related to the data layer. Not to mention that we're able to visualize each data point in different style, so I can very easily start filtering this based on traffic. Not only that, but I'm also able to filter and make the radius based on traffic, so I'll able to see this based on traffic. The bigger the point, that means we've got a bigger traffic score based on Google data. One click on the data point and I'm able to see more information related to it. Not to mention, we also have a tabular view. So the tabular view is exactly like Excel. You're able to see all what you need to know about the location. That also include if this location is closed or not. It would also include daily traffic trend, and it also include traffic in different times of the day. Say for example, you want to assign access to this data to a different person to look at it. We have an admin app, and this app allows specific people to access specific data layers. So for example, if I log in using patron@locationmind.com, for example, if I go and open my account using this patron@locationmind.com, I'll find that I have access to some data, but more data is actually locked. I cannot access this one. But within one click in the admin app, I'm able to assign myself a different database. So very easily I can say patron@locationmind.com can access, for example, Saudi Arabia land plots. Now if I go back to my software, just refresh the page, and the land plot that has been disabled is going to be enabled. I think here I'm signed with different account, so I need to go out. Now I now have access to Saudi Arabia land plots, and just one click I'm able to download that on a map, as you can see. So this kind of demo explains how to use the platform, not only as a SaaS, but also as a way to assign access to people, and as a way for data science team to produce and distribute data.